Oh my gosh, this is a great view. No one's on the rock side. Right there. No one's on the rock side. I like that. That was actually fun. But I was scared. I was scared.
Oh, snap! Oh, this is all right.
Okay, sure.
This is all right. I like this ride. I like this ride.
You think when you're looking at it, it don't look like this.
Nah, it's all right. It's all right.
Now we're going the other way.
We're gonna go that way.
Oh, we're gonna go the other way. Okay, I'll keep the video running. Put you on video. See the people. Really, you want to do it again?
Yes, I would have.
You want to go again? Dude! You're like petrified. We going again, yeah! Are we only going the other way? Because you do. When you put your...
No, we don't. I got a headache from all these rides.
Welcome back. I hope you guys had fun here on the Fallen Star. Once you guys come to a full and complete stop, you can put the 3 lap bars and stop.
One more.
You got 36 days to see the badge for the small price of $29.99.